Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Well, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate the customized Wi-Fi password QR codes. You might have been know a process to generate the QR code for Wi-Fi password, but that's a very boring QR. Now, in order to make a customizable QR, you need to just simply open this site, which is meqr.com, and wait for the site to respond. Once the site gets loaded, you need to scroll down until you find the Wi-Fi option. Here you can see the site responded, and scroll down, just simply click on this. If you don't find it, just simply hit more view more types, and let's wait for the site to respond. And here you can see, let's find the Wi-Fi. You can see it's here. Just simply tap over there and write the Wi-Fi name and password correctly for that particular Wi-Fi. Once you name the Wi-Fi, once you write the password for the same, a QR has been generated for you. Let's name it. I just hit it customize and download QR, and it will generate a QR for me. Now here you can see I can directly customize them from here. There are multiple pre-made templates for me that I can use to customize my QR, and that are very interesting for me. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.